So we get a little dullness right here. Hopefully the camera is focusing on that. Still pretty sharp from last year when I sharpened it, but it's definitely got some nicks on it. You definitely want to take care of it and sharpen it every year, just to be on the safe side. Yeah, there's a pretty good nick right there. So still fairly sharp. So I can shave my face with it. Yep. Still want to take care of it, sharpen it, make sure it's at its peak. So we're gonna go ahead and sharpen the blades using this angle grinder by Makita, whatever you call it. Make sure you wear your PPE so you don't damage your eyes. And I've got two 45-pound plates or two 25-pound plates. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the blade in between them on the wall so it's nice and secure, and then just go ahead and sharpen it. So the main three things you want to sharpen your blades for every year is, of course, it's going to be a lot cleaner cut. Two, it's not going to damage the grass. If you have really dull blades, they can damage the grass, they can split it, and then you can get disease that way. And three, when you have sharp blades, it's less wear and tear on your lawnmower. Alright guys, here's the end result. Nice sharp blade. No problem taking care of that grass now. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and put it back on, and we're gonna go mow the backyard. Let's go. Alright, we're in the backyard. It's pretty dirty back here. Haven't mowed it in like a month. A lot of leaves, a lot of twigs. Already picked up a bunch of stuff. The mower's going to do the rest of it for me. So we're going to go ahead and take care of the grass and check it out how it looks after we're done. show you some close-ups. I'll put the camera on the M3 crane. Still trying to learn how to use it pretty good, so bear with me. Let's go ahead and take a look over here. Get low at the grass. Let's see if you can see that. Let's go down a little bit. Yeah. How's that look, guys? Let's go back up a little bit. Yeah. Pan over here. So I was mowing the grass over here and I kept hitting the starfruit tree and it kept knocking the starfruit off. Take a look, you can see a couple in there. Oh, by the way, it makes great if you have Prosecco or Champagne and you juice them, way better than orange juice. Just gonna show you guys real quick. Loads them. Anyways, back to the grass. You guys don't care. You guys don't give a shit about that. Okay. There we go. Take a look. A little bit lower. There we go. You can see. Go up a little bit. What do you guys think? Pretty clean, huh? Pretty clean Zoysia grass for the backyard. Let's go up a little bit. Let's go down a little bit. There's some other. This is real nice. Just sharpen the blades. Looks real good. Nice and sharp. Go up a little bit. There we go. There's the lawnmower again. Let's go down. Getting different angles with different sun. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Kind of walk over here. There we go, that's a good shot right there. So fresh, so clean. I love Zoysia grass. So yes, guys, those were weeds. It's been the 80s here in Florida, and it looks like it's going to be pretty warm from here on out. A couple cold fronts here and there. It seems like maybe 2 to 3 per month. We get down to maybe the 40s or 50s, and then a couple days later we bounce right back up. So there's a bunch of things to do here in Florida. We're going to dethatch. We're going to put down a pre-emergent. We're going to put down some Milorganite. And we're going to get this yard back. So if you notice, this is my backyard, which for some reason just has survived a lot better than the front. The front is doing better, but the backyard for sure is the spot to be. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next week. Bye now.